Did you know that the production of electric car batteries has a dark side? Let's take a closer look at the African countries where these batteries are sourced and the impact it has on the climate and human dignity. In the pursuit of greener transportation, we often forget the hidden costs. Take cobalt, for example. It's a crucial component of electric car batteries, and a staggering 10 kilograms of cobalt are needed to manufacture just one. Countries have become the primary source of cobalt, such as the Democratic Republic of Congo. But the story behind this mining industry is one of exploitation and environmental degradation. Hazardous conditions, risking their lives to extract cobalt from the earth. Many are subjected to unsafe practices, low wages, and even child labor, compromising their dignity and well-being. And let's not forget about the environmental impact. Mining and processing cobalt release significant amounts of carbon emissions, contributing to climate change. Deforestation, soil degradation, and water pollution are just a few of the consequences of this unsustainable industry. The very technology meant to reduce our carbon footprint is leaving a destructive mark on the planet. As we strive for a cleaner future, it's crucial to address these issues. Sustainable alternatives, such as recycling batteries and investing in research for more eco-friendly materials, can help reduce our reliance on these finite resources. Let's raise awareness about the exploitation and environmental impact of electric car battery production. Together, we can work towards a future that not only protects our planet but also upholds the dignity and well-being of all.